Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. This is going to be a really quick update, and this update is targeted towards the Substance source. So if you're making use of Substance Designer or Substance Painter, you probably have used the Substance source one time or the other. And Substance, the guys at Allegorithmic, they have just released about 20 new technical fabrics to the Substance source, and these fabrics were not entirely designed by the guys at Allegorithmic. They were partnered, or they were done in collaboration with an artist called Ronan Mahon. And if you go over to the website, which is at the Allegorithmic Blog, you can come through and see all of the 20 collections that have been made. So they are quite hybrid materials, and directly here on the site you can also get to see the Sketchfab sort of UI, where you can play with the materials and see how they interact, and go all the way down to see other materials and the possibilities of what you can do with the materials when you either download them or use them. And also, it's not news that the Adobe has finally purchased the guys at Allegorithmic, but regardless of that, these guys keep working hard to get things done. So I don't know what you guys think about this, but if you go over to the Substance source, you can also come through and see some materials that you can download. And if you don't have a Substance account, or you don't have a Substance source account, you can create a new Substance source account, log in, and also download these materials and use them for your texturing. This is entirely up to you guys, depending on what you do. And this stuff is targeted towards the guys making fabrics like sportswear and clothing as well. And if you want to learn more about creating cloths and all that stuff, you can go over to Zarife. I'm going to put the link in the description, so you can learn how to make cloths using Marvelous Designer. And also, if you have cloth requests that you would want to get, you can also make those requests directly on the channel there, and she's going to do her best to get back to you and maybe make a video to that effect. And just before we leave, I'll just want to mention that this particular stuff that came out was out of a contest that was made earlier. So if you go over to the blog page, you can come through and read about this stuff. And if you're not using Substance, you can also go over to the Substance website and try for 30 days free, or maybe you can make a monthly or annual purchase, or if you want a perpetual license, especially now that they've been bought by Adobe and they are not yet tied into the entire subscription thing. So I'd like to know what you guys think about this video. Are you making clothes? Do you make clothes with Marvelous Designer? Would you want to learn how to make clothes with Marvelous Designer? What's your tool set? What's your workflow? I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. And until I come your way again with a tutorial, rant, review, or maybe an update like this, peace.